Geobyte.
Dear students, now let us discuss energy graph for an elastic member like spring. Okay, for that, look at the important point. If a mass attached with a spring performs simple harmonic motion, that is SHM motion, about its mean position, then its potential energy at any position x is given by, you know, potential energy at any position, at any position, let that position is x is given by potential energy u equal to half into k into x square, where k is the spring constant, x is the deflection of the spring. For extreme positions, for extreme positions, for extreme positions like x equal to plus or minus a, the maximum potential energy, the maximum potential energy u max equal to half k a square. Dear friends, remember this maximum potential energy can be treated as total energy stored in the spring. This maximum energy, this maximum energy, this maximum potential energy, maximum potential energy is equal to total energy, total energy in the spring, total energy in spring, total energy in spring. That total energy in the spring, let it be E equal to total energy present in the spring, capital E equal to capital E equal to half k a square. Then what will be the kinetic energy? As you know, this total energy E is nothing but potential energy plus kinetic energy. From this, the kinetic energy stored in the spring equal to total energy minus potential energy. Total energy half k a square minus potential energy half k x square. It is equal to half into k into a square minus x square. This is the kinetic energy stored in the spring. Okay. For that, let us take the spring with net force equal to 0. This is the case where the net force on the spring equal to 0. Then x equal to 0. Okay. If x equal to 0, then what is the right? What is the what is the potential energy stored equal to half k x square. Since x equal to 0, u equal to 0, then total energy equal to half into k into a square minus, right, minus what x square. It is equal to total energy equal to half into k into a square. Half k a square is the total energy stored in the spring. Okay. But if I apply the force, tensile force, if I apply the tensile force, the net force like this, here x is becoming with respect to mean position, this is the x equal to plus a, x equal to plus a, then what will be the potential energy? Half into k into a square. Then kinetic energy equal to 0, right? Kinetic energy equal to 0. Then total energy equal to sum of the potential energy and kinetic energy. It is equal to half into k a square. Okay. Now for the case of mean position, this total energy is nothing but kinetic energy only. Kinetic energy. Similarly, if I apply the net force as compressive force, let me write it clearly. If I apply the net force as compressive force, this is the net force. Because of this net force, the mass is compressing or spring is compressing. Let that compression distance of the spring is x equal to minus a. For this particular question also, the u equal half into k into minus a square is equal to half k a square. The total energy equal to the maximum potential energy stored, right? Potential energy stored plus kinetic energy. For this case, kinetic energy, right? Kinetic energy is equal to 0. The total energy equal to potential energy, that is equal to half k a square. Okay. Anyhow, right, having this information, let us mark the energy graph. Let us mark the energy graph. At x equal to a, x equal to 0, x equal to plus a. At x equal to a plus a, look at the case, x equal to plus a, the potential energy is maximum half k a square, right? Half k a square. And right, half k a square, let me mark that point here. The potential energy is maximum. This is the maximum potential energy, and that potential energy is becoming 0. That potential energy is becoming 0 at its mean position where the net force is 0. Here potential energy u equal to 0. Here u becomes u max, that is equal to half k a square. Similarly, at x equal to minus a, of course, at x equal to minus a plus a, u equal to k a square, x equal to plus a, u equal to u max. That u max equal to what? That u max equal to half k a square. At x equal to minus a, x equal to plus a, u is becoming maximum. That u max equal to half k a square. That value I can mark like this. The value, right? The potential energy value is parabolically varying. Let me draw it clearly. Should be very careful. It is varying decreasing parabolically to 0 from maximum, from extreme position to middle position. Then again it is going to increase like this. That is how the potential energy of the spring is decreasing from x equal to minus a to x equal to 0, and is increasing from x equal to 0 to x equal to plus a. Whereas, look at the kinetic energy. Look at the kinetic energy. At x equal to minus a, kinetic energy equal to 0. Similarly, at x equal to plus a, kinetic energy is 0. That kinetic energy is maximum at its mean position. Mean position. Then here kinetic energy equal to 0, x equal to minus a. Here also kinetic energy equal to 0, right? And kinetic energy is maximum. Maximum kinetic energy equal to Ka square. Ke becomes maximum, that is equal to half Ka square at the mean position. Then the kinetic energy is changing like this. The kinetic energy of the spring is increasing from 0 to maximum, from x equal to minus a to x equal to 0, varying parabolically. Thereafter it starts to decrease. Finally it is becoming 0 at the other extreme condition. That other extreme condition is x equal to plus a. Should be very careful. Let me draw it clearly like this. So that should be varying parabolically. Should be very careful like this. Like this, it should be varying parabolical. That is how the kinetic energy is changing. So this graph, it is for kinetic energy marked with K. This graph, this is for potential energy marked with U. And look at the total energy. Total energy remains constant. Total energy remains constant. That is the total energy representation. Total energy remains constant according to law of conservation of energy also. So this is the total energy. Okay, equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Understood clearly? Yes. Now look at the conclusion. It means kinetic energy changes parabolically with respect to position, but total energy remains constant irrespective to the position of the mass. Of course, kinetic energy and potential energy both are parabolically changing, but total energy remains constant irrespective of the position of the mass which is connected to the spring. Understood clearly? Yes.
Geobyte.